Every celebration begins with a name. Classic invitation cards, timeless in fame. Premium box invites for those held close, where every detail quietly shows. For guests who are far, yet close at heart, digital invites play the same warm part. Custom-made designs, elegant and true, bringing the same feeling just through a new view. Then comes the moment all eyes await, the bride and groom entry. Grand and first-rate, unique concepts, planned with care, seamless execution beyond compare. Stunning venues that set the tone, decor that feels personal, never overdone. Every color, every light in place, designed to match your special day's grace. From grand weddings filled with cheer, to birthday milestones year after year. Every milestone, big or small, celebrated the Desi wedding way by all. With in-house photography and films that stay, capturing memories that never fade away. Just one call is all it takes to turn your moments into memories you'll always keep.